everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I want to give you a tour of our home all decorated for fall. Today is the 2019 DIY and Decor Challenge with a fall theme, so I've asked you on my community tab and on my Facebook page and Instagram to share with me your fall themed DIY and decor ideas on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to put the playlist link down in the description box below. I'm going to keep it open till Sunday. Add your video to that playlist and I can't wait to watch them all. Make sure to go ahead and watch all of the videos. I think you're going to find a ton of inspiration for decorating for this season. Today I'm sharing our home all decorated for fall in a really colorful and casual style. I'm also sharing this free printable on my blog just for you today, no strings attached. I'm going to link that in the description box below. It says I love fall. Most of all, features some really subtle colored florals and fall foliage, and that's just my gift for you today, so make sure to go ahead and download that when you can. Now let me take you on a tour of our rural Alberta, Canada home all decorated for autumn. We built our home ourselves in 2013. My husband did basically everything, and then I decorated the interior. We love it, and we live here with our 3 daughters in rural Alberta, Canada. You might have seen my latest video on my pumpkin porch stairs dreams come true. I will link to it down in the description box below. We just finished flooring our porch 6 years later after we built it. I love it. It's been such a great change for our porch. We have a sectional here. This one is from the brick, and then I just have some faux pumpkins mixed in with real pumpkins here. Our entry, I have a faux eucalyptus garland, a DIY wreath and mat, and I will make sure to link to those DIYs. You've probably seen them on my channel already down in the description box below. So in this video, I just wanted to take you through the main floor of our home. You've probably seen a couple of the rooms here already on the channel, but I wanted to go into more detail on those rooms, as well as some of the newer decor in our kitchen and our powder room. And then later on in the season, I would love to share with you some bedroom decor ideas for fall and some other rooms in our home. This wreath is also a DIY with lots of dollar store products, and I'll link to this one in the description box as well. So when you walk into our home, the first room on the right is our living room, and this is our really cozy room that we spend lots of time just cuddling and reading together as a family. We don't have a TV in here because we have a TV downstairs in our kids' room, as well as in my husband's movie and gaming room. And I've shared those on my channel here, and if you're curious to see what those look like, I will link to those down below. The main things I've added in this room for fall are some DIY pillows, as well as some fall faux foliage, and of course lots of candles and twinkle lights and a warm fire, which I think are essential for fall decor. This room is so warm and cozy, and it's a little bit of a fancier room. However, I find that it's still comfortable, and all of the surfaces are really easy to clean with all of our kids and us using this room often every day. Now, when you turn the corner from this room, you're going to see the doors to my office. I have some lace curtains on those because right now my office craft room is not clean. I will share that with you later in the season as well. That's going to give me motivation to clean it and organize it. But this is our breakfast nook and our kitchen. So I truly kept this area nice and simple for fall. I don't like to put too many things in the kitchen because it's such a working room. We do so much baking and cooking in here. The breakfast nook, honestly, I let my 5-year-old style this space, and if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that. She was home with me one day and she asked to help me decorate, and I said, look at the curtains in here and pick out the colors from the curtains and put some pillows on the bench, and she did that and I loved it, so I just left it. I did swap out our white curtains that were in here for these DIY drapes with the gray and the green and the teal. I made these a few years ago. I'll link to that tutorial, and I thought they would be really great with the velvet chairs we have in here, and I just like how they warm up the space for the season. In the kitchen, again, just really simple. I have some warm wood cutting boards out, and I also have just a really simple deer shed on the island, as well as a diffuser, diffusing some of my favorite fall scents. And of course, more candles, just a couple here and there to make our kitchen feel nice and warm and cozy for the fall season. On the left, I just have some mason jars filled with some chocolate chip cookies, and that's pretty much it. On the breakfast nook table, we have some hydrangeas from our garden, and these ones were so beautiful and full this year with all the moisture we had. Turning the corner from our kitchen, you'll find our powder room. In here, again, just some simple casual touches for fall. So I've added some things to our decorative shelves here above the toilet area. So I have just some candles as well and some rattan little baskets. On the shelf, I have this cloche that I found at Value Village, put a little Dollar Tree pumpkin inside, as well as another antler shed and some Dollar Tree faux hydrangeas. Here's where I decided to put my fall artwork in the bathroom here in this cute little 5x7 rustic wood frame. And again, that's a free download, and make sure to download your art. I'll leave that in the description box below just for you. So I love styling just simple little vignettes like this. You don't have to go all out for fall or any season for that matter. You can just choose small little areas to make some seasonal vignettes. And finally, just moving a little bit forward from our powder room is our dining room. And you've seen little bits and pieces of this space as well, as I shared some Dollar Tree decorating ideas earlier this month. So here is my finished completed table with all of the Dollar Tree and thrifted items on it. This rug is from The Brick. I partnered with them in August. I love the colors of this, and that really inspired what I was going to do with our fall table. So we have the placemats from IKEA, we have napkins from Simon's, we have little Dollar Tree glass pumpkins, and then thrifted amber glassware from my local antique shop and thrift store. The gold flatware I found on Amazon, and the chairs were from The Brick. I chalk painted them, and the little chair pads are from Simon's Canada. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed our fall tour. I would love to know down in the comments below which room was your favorite and why. Also, make sure to add your fall DIY and decor challenge video to the playlist. I will link it up here and down in the description box below. I can't wait to watch all the videos in the playlist and get tons of fall inspiration. Don't forget to download your free printable. I will link that below as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. Also, I share lots of behind the scenes stuff on Instagram. I'm at the DIY Mommy there. Would love to have you join me there. And I'm gonna leave some more videos for you to watch right up here.